Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. That center cap looks good. Tires look a little low on as far as tread goes. A couple little imperfections here and there. But overall, that paint looks really good. Typical little scratches in the glass. You're gonna have some paint runs, little imperfections like that, but overall, looks really nice. A couple spots here. Looks good. That wheel looks nice. See some tiny little chips here and there. Mirror looks good. I do see some cracks in here on that insert. Some cracks here, little imperfections here and there. You're gonna have the lines in the glass. Overall, that wheel looks nice. Little scuffs here and there on that center cap. That taillight is cracked. That taillight looks good. Looking at that door panel, a couple little scuffs. That works really well. Handle's a little loose here. Looking at the dash. Then down here on the floor. That bolster looks nice. You can see the wear on that seat belt. That seat looks good. Overall, that headliner looks nice. Looking at that door panel, you are missing a little cap here. That window works good. Overall, that seat looks really nice. Steering wheel looks good. Little scuffs here and there. Got a crack right there.